So, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So, now we will take the subject that is English, class 5. So, here, children. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? So, 5th class children, you must read each bit and each lesson from the class 5th. So here till 18 lessons we have been completed here, children. So today I am starting the lesson that is 19th lesson. So here we have completed so many lessons, children. So till now there is no response from you. So how you are reading, how you are concentrating on your subjects, so you are doing the works whatever we are giving, and the textbooks you have or not, no response. So children, so little bit interest if you keep, so you will do all the things. So here the lesson is the incredible Incas, the incredible Incas. So here the lesson name, the incredible Incas, the lesson number 19. So here incredible Incas. So here the lesson, now we will read about Incas. The incredible means Nijayati. So here they will tell in the Telugu, there are Incas. So Incas empire was located on the west side of South America. So here the Incas empire was located on the west side of the South America. West side and meeku andarki telusu, east, west, north. The west side of South America, it has located. The Andes mountain was the home of the Inca civilization. The Andes mountains was the civilization of the Andes mountains was the home of Incas civilization. Vaala yokka civilization means what? It is a living. Whatever the Incas will, the mountains they will be there. That is a home of Inca civilization. Vaala yokka civilization. The mountains dominated Inca societies. Here the mountains. So here the Incas home, Inca civilization is the home was the Andes mountain. So here the mountain is dominated Inca societies. It was dominated ante the dominating of the Incas society. The mountain peak were the worship as God. The mountain peaks are the worshipped by as their God. దేవుడిలాగా వర్షిప్ చేస్తారు మౌంటైన్ పీక్ని. The Andes created a natural barrier between the coastal desert and the one side of the jungle on the other. So here the Andes, they are created a natural barriers between the coastal desert and the one side of the jungle or to the other. The snow-capped mountains were full of deep gorges. So here the snow-capped, whatever the snow-capped is there, that the mountains were full of deep gorges. The Incas built bridges across the gorges so that they could reach all parts of their empire quickly and easy. Here, what the Incas has built the bridges, whatever they want to cross from the one mountain, one place to another, to the gorges, they had built the quickly and easily the bridges. They could reach very easily. So they had been built. These mountains, gorges, were natural barriers. They were very natural barriers. These were mountain gorges. The Incas never invented the wheel. So the Incas never, they has been invented the wheels. They never invented a system of writing. So they don't know. They never invented wheels, chakralu, and they never invented the writing system. Yes, high is rugged Andes mountain of the South America. It is a very high. High it is rugged Andes mountains of the South America. The Incas built thousands of millions well-paved roads. Here they has built thousands of the millions of well-paved roads. Everyone in the empire was very well fed to know one was homeless. So here wherever the Andes mountains of South America was there, Incas has built the thousands of millions of well paved roads of everyone. They were in the emperor was well fed of, no one was homeless. There were no one as వాళ్ళకి అందరికీ they have the home. There is no one is homeless in the Incas civilization. So at the first, Incas were simply a small tribe that lived in the city of Cuzco. So here the Incas, they were that were the first, they are the tribal people. Incas, they lived in the Cuzco. So they lived in the city of a Cuzco, small tribe. It is the worship of God of nature. So they used to worship the God of the nature. Next, around 1413 CE, a neighboring tribe attacked the Incas. So here around the 1430 CE, a neighboring tribe attacked the Incas. So it was attacked by the tribe people in the 1413 CE. They has attacked. So here lived in a small little, that is Cuzco. Here and around they worship the God, whatever the nature is they used to worship the God of the nature. The Incas got attacked by the neighbor, that is in the around 1430. The neighbors tribe attack of the Incas won. They has been attacked by the Incas. By that also there has been won. So Incas has been won. That was the beginning of the Incas empire. So that was the beginning, that is the starting of the success of beginning of Incas. Over the next 100 years, the Incas empire grew into the vast empires. So here the next 100 years also they were the emperor of the griefs of the vast emperor. So whatever the emperor was, they are the emperors of the Inca civilization. The Incas were unable to build a vast empire by demanding loyalty of conquered people. So here they was not demandable, and they were built the empire demanding by the loyalty from the conquered people. At the height of their power, the Inca Empire was 2,500 millions long. So millions long they were the power of Incas. So here 500 miles wide, at the home 12 million people. So 500 millions wide, and the homes of the 12 millions people were Incas. These people call themselves the child of the sun. So these people, they call themselves Maleoka. The people, whatever themselves, they are called the children of the sun, the sun god. They will be who is the god of the Incas? It is a nature. Nature means sun. So they have been called the children. So here the children of the sun, they has been called. Who? The people of Incas, civilized Incas. The land of Inca rule became known as the land of the four quarters. So here the land, the Incas ruled because known as the land of four quarters. So here the land of the four quarters. It was named so because the Inca Empire was divided into four parts of ruling purpose. So here, why these four quarters has been called? Because of they has divided into four parts. ఈ యొక్క 4 partsని 1, 2, 3, 4 parts లాగా డివైడ్ చేశారు. కాబట్టి this land of they are calling the 4 quarters. So Cuzco was still the capital. So it is a small city they lived. So till now also the Cuzco is the capital of the Incas. Incas government. So now we will learn about Incas government. So now we will learn about the Incas government. So till here children, we have been learned about the how they lived. So how they built their emperor. So how they attacked was been gone. So how they were lived. Now till now we have been learned. So now the Incas government anedi endo we will learn. Okay. ఇంకాస్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఏందో చూద్దాం. The Incas had a strong central government. They has a very strong central government. Who? Incas. The leader of Inca people was called of Sapa Inca. So the Inca people who was the leader, so he is known as Sapa Inca. He is the leader of the people. He is known as the Sapa Inca. The emperor is the emperor. He was not an elected position. The most suitable person was selected for the job. So here there is no elected position is there, but the most suitable person who is there, they used to select that and they used to give that job. Everything belonged to the Sapa Inca. He ruled his people but putting his relatives in the position of power. So here whoever is being ruled by the government of Incas, they have put it in the relative as a position of the power, because punishment was harsh and shift, almost no one broke the law. Here the Inca government, how it is, if anyone, if they do mistake, they have a severe punishment to you and they will be strictly given the punishment to them, harsh and strict punishment has been done by the law. Who has broke their law, they have been very strictly ruled. So once you see the Incas, how the people are there, here in the picture it is there, page number 82. Here how the people are there, how they are. So here this is the picture I have shown for you, Inca people. The government was responsible for taking care of the people, including the poor and sick and elderly. So here the government, whatever the government of Incas are there, they used to take care of the people, so including the poor and whatever they are sick or elderly. So here whoever the people are there, so whatever it may be, పేదవాళ్ళైనా సరే ఎవరైనా సరే, including the sick also, they used to take care of them. The government built roads and bridges on aqueducts to carry water to the people. Here the people, whatever the government had been given them, building the bills, roads, bridges, whatever they are been, to carry the water for the people. So here to carry water to the people. In the time of droughts, the government distributed food. So here where the drought are come, మొత్తం వరదతో వచ్చినప్పుడు they had distributed, the government has distributed the food for them. In the time of natural disaster such as earthquake, in the government sent troops with the food and blankets. So here earthquakes, so here droughts, వరద బాధితులు, next earthquakes, భూకంపాలు వచ్చినా the people, so here the people whoever gets jobs, so వరద బాధితులు వాళ్ళైనా సరే, అర్త్క్వేక్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళైనా సరే, వాళ్ళకి ఫుడ్ అనేది గవర్నమెంట్ బాగా ఈ తొందరగా ప్రిఫరెన్స్ చేస్తుంది, దిస్ గవర్నమెంట్. సో ఇన్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ విత్ ద పీపుల్స్ జాబ్ టు ద వర్క్ ఫర్ ద గవర్నమెంట్. సో హియర్ ద ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ జాబ్ టు ద వర్క్ for the government, the common people work very hard. So here whatever the exchange of the people jobs are working of the government, the common people used to work very hard, but no one went hungry and no one was homeless in Inca emperor. So in the starting also I said they were built so many houses, so there were no the people are there that they don't have home, అంటే ఒక్క వాళ్ళకు కూడా లోటు లేకుండా ఇల్లులు ఉన్నాయి. So no one is there homeless. Here also he told in the Incas emperor there is no one has hungry, ఆకలితో ఉండలేదు, ఇల్లు లేకుండా ఉండలేదని చెప్తున్నారు. The government made sure everyone had enough food to eat and warm. Disturb అవుతుంది. So here the Inca government, so here it is very hard, the people who are exchanging their works, the another common people used to work very hard. So now there is no Incas will be homeless and no one is hungry with the hungry. అంటే చాలామంది మనం పేదవాళ్ళని ఇది అక్కడ లేరు, తినకుండా ఉండేవాళ్ళు లేరు, ఇల్లు లేని వాళ్ళు కూడా లేరు. ఇంకా ఎంపరర్ The government made sure everyone had enough food to eat, warm clothes to wear. So ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళకి గవర్నమెంట్ వాళ్ళకి ఏం చేసింది, ష్యూర్గా everyone had enough food to eat and warm clothes to wear. It was important that the people stay healthy. So there వాళ్ళకి ఫుడ్ మళ్ళీ తర్వాత కట్టుకోవడానికి బట్టలు అనేది గవర్నమెంట్ ఏది లోటు లేకుండా ఆ రెండు మాత్రం వాళ్ళకి చేశారు. ఎందుకు అంటే టు స్టే హెల్దీ. They were needed as workers. So they were needed as workers to feed the millions of people in the Inca's emperor. They were feed of the millions of the people of Inca emperor. The Incas invented terrace farming. So here they have invented the terrace farming. So you know what is meant by terrace farming. So they could grow crops on the steep mountain slope. Whatever the terrace mountain and ekko high, they have been farming they build. So to build the crops, they can grow the crops. The step mountains, slope down mountains, so they can grow the crops. They use system of irrigation. The system of the irrigation they has been used to catch the rainfall and the spring run from the snow-capped and mountain top. So here they has built at the why if the rainfall comes, the slope of the water will come off the mountain tops. So here for that there has been rainfall and spring runs off from the snow-capped and mountain top. So here now children till the Incas government how they built. So ఇంకా గవర్నమెంట్లో ఏంటిది, వాళ్ళకి ఏ లోటు లేకుండా చూసుకున్నారు. ఎందుకు అంటే వాళ్ళకి ఏ బాధ వచ్చినా ఏ కష్టం వచ్చినా సరే వాళ్ళని ఎలా ఆదుకునేవాళ్ళు, ఇన్న క్షణంలో వాళ్ళకి ఏ లోటు లేకుండా ఈ యొక్క గవర్నమెంట్ వాళ్ళు ఆదుకునేవాళ్ళు, ఇంకా గవర్నమెంట్. సో వాళ్ళు ఎంత బాగా చూసేవాళ్ళంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళని ఎవరికైనా ఆకలితో బాధపడే వాళ్ళు అక్కడ అనేది లేరు, ఇల్లు లేని అనేవాళ్ళు లేరు, అంతా మంచిగా చూసావన్నమాట ఈ గవర్నమెంట్ అనమాట, ఇంకాస్ గవర్నమెంట్. ఇంకొకటి వాళ్ళకు ఏదైనా కష్టం వచ్చినా they are supporting them, they are taking care of them, the government of the Incas. So here the responsibility whatever it is there they have been taken. So one more, ఏమైనా వరదలు వచ్చినా ఎర్త్క్వేక్ అంటే భూకంపం వచ్చినా వాళ్ళు ఏం చేసేవాళ్ళు, they used to take food for them and blankets. వాళ్ళకి సప్లై చేసేవాళ్ళు, ఫుడ్ ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు as well as they used to give blankets. So earthquake ochina, floods ochina, they don't have anything to eat and they don't have anything to buy. So in that situation also the Inca emperor was helped by them. So here so they worked hard, whatever the people are there they used to exchange. But also common people untaru, a common people em chesevaru, they used to help very hard, they used to work. So here the people whatever they are there in the Incas, there is no food. వాళ్ళకి ఫుడ్ లేకుండా ఇల్లు లేకుండా ఉండేవాళ్ళు కాదు. వాళ్ళని మళ్ళీ బట్టలైనా సరే వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఫుడ్ అయినా సరే it is a very important for them. So to stay healthy it is very important for them. So they one more they invented, what they invented, farming on the terrace farming they invented. So they could grow the crops very easily on the steep of the mountain slope. So here the system has been irrigation to catch the rainfall. Irrigation must be catch the rainfall to grow the crops and the snow capped and the mountain top. So here the children, so till we have completed the Inca government. So once you see the picture children, it is very nice. So once you also go through children, it is very easy. So ఇంత మంచి లెసన్ ఇంకా సో ఇన్క్రెడిబుల్ ఇంకాస్ అనేది ఒక్కసారి మీరు కూడా చదివితే మీకు కూడా అర్థమవుతుంది. వాళ్ళ యొక్క గవర్నమెంట్, వాళ్ళ యొక్క హ్యూమానిటీ, దే ఆర్ ద పీపుల్, దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ ట్రైబల్, అంటే అడవి మనుషులా కనిపిస్తున్నారు. బట్ ద గవర్నమెంట్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ సపోర్టింగ్ టు దెమ్ అండ్ ద పీపుల్ ఆల్సో హౌ దే ఆర్ సపోర్టింగ్ టు దెమ్. వన్స్ సీ ఇన్ దిస్ పిక్చర్ హౌ ద పీపుల్ ఆర్. సో ఐ థింక్ యూ డెంట్ సీ దిస్ పీపుల్, ఇంకా పీపుల్ని మీరు ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు. సో దే ఆర్ సపరేట్ emperor, that is Inca civilization. So once also you also go through children. So here the emperor 2500 millions long, 500 millions wide, the homes are 12 millions people they will be live. So here tomorrow I will continue my lesson Inca architecture. Next Lama legends, religions, fall of Incas emperor, we will go through tomorrow. I will continue my lesson children. So you also once again do the lesson, go through the lesson and do hard work children, 5th class children. That is your next step. We're going to the 6th. So now I leave my class. Thank you children. If you don't have textbooks, please buy the textbooks children. Thank you very much.